Hello, Murray Newlands with Search Engine Journal, here at SMX in San Jose with Steve from infocc. They are a software that works with your site to actually find words which you want to connect with users to increase engagement, and then as you hover over those words, it actually pulls up an ad, but that ad goes internally and drives people around your site to increase engagement. So Steve, what are your tips for increasing engagement on your site?
Okay, we believe, first of all, let me talk about engagement.
Yes.
We think, we are at the show where a lot of people are doing offering PPC campaigns,
Yes.
Link building,
Yep.
blog marketing. But one area that you really want to focus on is engagement.
Yes.
And what is engagement? Engagement is keeping people, once they land on your site, you want to keep on your site. And why do you want to do that? Obviously, you want to have more sales and more conversions and more traffic, but also search engines like Google, they really care about engagement.
Yes.
When somebody searches for a keyword on Google, they land on your site. If they spend 2 minutes on your site versus 2 seconds, Google will measure that when they go back to Google.
Yeah.
And they say, okay, this is a quality site. I mean, how else can they measure quality of your site? I mean, they can try to do some grammatical algorithms, but really at the end of the day, is your site overall capturing them?
Yes.
And that is a key. So once you get better engagement, your conversion from Google and your traffic from Google starts to go up. So you really want to focus on that. Now, there are companies or sites that are doing it very successfully, like Wikipedia.
Yes.
When you go to Wikipedia, it has other resources that you can immediately access. You go to other pages. So they have done that very successfully. We try to bring that model to every website, and that's our technology using JavaScript.
Yeah.
So anyways, what you want to do, okay, you want to create that conversion, what you can do is just go into your blog or CMS and create all these links, hard links.
Yes.
But what happens is after you have 50 pages, 100 pages, it gets very, very difficult to do.
Yes.
And the links become stale, meaning that you are coming up with new products, new pages, and your links are pointing to some old pages.
Yes.
So you want to start looking at technologies that allow you to dynamically create all these links, and you want to have, as you said, you want to have enhanced links.
Yes.
So now with this jQuery and JavaScript, you can pop things, you can show people other things. They don't have to just go from one page to another. You can give them a menu of choices. So you want to start looking at technologies that allow you to do that.
And what's the difference between, say, like how does your tool help drive people from an information page to a landing page, for example?
That's a very good question. So a lot of people are doing blog marketing today, meaning that they're creating a lot of blog pages and they are capturing search engine traffic for different keywords. They're very successful at that. But now how do you drive people from those pages to what I call money pages, which are product pages?
Yes.
So our tool allows you to define a set of money pages, and then the info pages would link dynamically to those money pages. So that is, we think that's a very important concept that we are promoting, and not too many people have talked about that. And we think it's a very successful idea to have a real ROI for your content. So when you send them to your product pages, to your squeeze pages, to your ebook email sign-up page or whatnot.
Or even just pages that share really well.
That's
to
right.
drive more traffic.
That's right. So let's say you have a site that has very old pages.
Yeah.
How do you really repurpose the traffic from those old pages to something new, something more valuable, like you said?
Now, how's that working on multiple devices, small devices, for example?
That's a very good question. When you get into small devices like tablets, we know how fast they are growing.
Yes.
You really don't want to go to a search box. So you cannot rely, as a website owner, you cannot rely on a search box to be useful. People don't want to type anything. They don't have a keyboard. So you want to have a touch paradigm. And that's where links come in. It's a touch paradigm. Just instantly you want them to, you also want them to offer them additional pages that are related to certain keywords. You want to suggest to them what else is available related to what they're seeing. You don't want them to think about what else they want to type. So that's where the touch paradigm comes into play. You can simply touch those links and see additional information. And you also don't have all those related topics and stuff on the site. You might not even see it on a smaller device. So that it becomes even more important, that site interlinking on a smaller device.
Fantastic. If people want to find out more information, how do they connect with you?
Just shoot me an email, steve@infocc.com.
Steve, very interesting. I look forward to hearing more. I'm Murray Newlands with Search Engine Journal. I'll see you next time.